The Segway Ninebot MAX Series electric scooter for adults, available in the G2 and G3 models, is built to upgrade your daily commute and weekend travel with comfort, power, and efficiency. You'll find the link to this product in the description below. Designed for riders who want impressive speed and long-distance capability, this scooter reaches 22 to 28 miles per hour and offers a remarkable range of up to 50 miles. Whether you're commuting through the city, riding around campus, or exploring scenic routes, the Ninebot MAX gives you the confidence to travel farther without worrying about frequent charging. To ensure a smooth and stable ride, the scooter features advanced dual suspension that easily handles bumps, cracks, and uneven surfaces. It includes highly responsive braking and carries UL 2272 and 2271 certifications, meaning both the electrical system and battery meet strict safety standards. Riders can also take advantage of strong hill climbing performance, making it suitable for hilly neighborhoods and elevated roads. Built for comfort and reliability, the Segway Ninebot MAX Series offers a sturdy frame, wide footboard, and ergonomic handlebars designed for long rides. With smart energy recovery, an upgraded motor system, and an intuitive dashboard, you get better efficiency and clearer riding information. The folding design adds portability, allowing easy transport and storage at home, school, or work. Whether you need a dependable commuter scooter or a powerful everyday ride, the G2/G3 models deliver excellent performance, durability, and convenience. You'll find the link to this product in the description below.